Since the beginning of man, humans have wondered many things. What is the meaning of life, where do we come from, and how can we represent the wagging of a dog's tail with a periodic function? To find the answer to such a complicated question, I would first need a test subject. Luckily we found one in the close proximity who was willing to accept snacks as a form of currency. After several hours, the head scientist, me, managed to get some footage. Here we are measuring the distance between the end of the ruler and the tail. This is the video at 20% speed. Here we can observe that after 2 periods, it takes 50 seconds, and the maximum Y value is 27. In this case I would use the formula, y minus k over b is equal to sine of x minus h over a. To find a we first need to know the period, p, which is 0.25 seconds, which is the numerator, and you divide that by 2 pi. B is the maximum Y value minus the minimum value divided by 2, so after plugging in these separate value and adding k you have a complete formula. This chart has a 1x to 15 years scale. What is the point of all of this? The tail of a dog is very important in keeping its balance while running at faster speeds. Studying these can help us learn more about the center of gravity of different animals. Modeling a dog's tail can also help us further understand the physics of pendulums, for example, which is used in different contraptions, like metronomes and clocks. What was the degree of accuracy in the measurements? The subject was very hard to work with, and our facilities did not have a motion sensor. I used the beginning of the ruler as a starting point, which was difficult since the subject was moving. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.